Hello, I'm back, and it took me a month to make another video because of the holiday break, Christmas rush, orders, foods, a lot of foods. That's why taba-taba ko na. So, by the way, I have some adjustment in my price category. I will change it on January 25, 2018. Mag-i-increase po ako ng 20 pesos per price product. So, let me show you guys. So, here's the price of the keychain. So, we'll start with the dot eyes. 4 cm. Small head from 70 naging 90. Big head from 80 naging 100. Then, from 5 cm, 130, small head, naging 150. Then, big head, 140, naging 160. Sa anime eyes naman, 4 cm, small head, 110, naging 130. Big head, 120, naging 140. My bestseller, the 155 cm, naging 170 na siya. So, big head, 5 cm from 160 naging 180. For the name tag naman, wala naman akong binago. Stamp is still 15 pesos for 0.5 cm and 25 pesos for 1 cm. Then emboss, 1 cm, 10 pesos each letter. Then maximum po siya ng 8 letters. For display and cake topper naman, 5 cm, small head is 210, naging 230. 5 cm, big head, 220, naging 240. Then 7 cm, small head, 280, naging 300. Then the bestseller ko na 11 cm, 350. Ngayon is 370 na siya. So, for the additional object, so, maraming nalilito ko ano siya. So, tinanggal ko muna siya sa price. Ginawa ko na lang siyang name tag stamp, 25, then embossed 10 each letter. Because, pwede ko na lang siyang i-add once na gusto niyo mag-add pa ng something sa cake topper or sa display. Bookmark little figures, so popsicle stick, from 100 naging 120, head and butt, 150 naging 170, then leg show, 160 naging 180, then start and end, 180 naging 200 pesos. Then yung earrings naman, yung ulo lang is 80 pesos, 1 cm, then if the whole body is 200 cm for 100 pesos. So wala naman akong binago sa earrings. Reason for increase, I just think it's needed. And for this entry is going to be another Yoshi na creation again. So, nagawa ko na po si Yoshi na dati from Date Alive.
Yoshino, are you hungry?
At ang dorm po niyan ay si Lisel. Hello. You can check her out in her Facebook, Kaori Doodles, or Instagram. I'll link it here, somewhere here. So, let's start.